All right, this time I want to add a little more to our program before we move on to the next thing, which is MCR. So we're going to add one little thing to this. I've already got it made up. It's called another routine. We've added rungs. This time we're going to add a routine to our main program. Over here, click on it, right click, add to import routine. So you will find the flasher routine FBD. You'll open, it'll import it, hit OK. All right, let's open up Flasher, double click it. So this is programmed in what's called function block programming. They got blocks. We got inputs, outputs. You can scroll up here, input reference, output reference. There's input wire connector, output wire connector, text box. You got timer on. You've got, favorites. You can again make favorites for these function blocks. So if there were certain things you wanted to do, and if you want to do math conversion in a function block format, you can do it right here. You can drag that thing down. This is already drugged down. We might get into this later, but I want you to be aware of where the function block is. This is, I'm calling a flasher. So I've got a timer enable bit tag. I made a time value of 2500. So that's 2.5 seconds. It's going to come in. It's going to do this timer. When it's done, it enables this timer. The preset is tied, so they're both 2500. So this should be on for 2.5 seconds and off for 2.5 seconds. So we imported it. Now we're going to go back to the main routine and we're going to modify that. So we got to get it to run. We can see if it'll run. Let's see if it'll run without going in. So we'll go online. We're going to go. I'm just going to go online. See what happens. What's it say? So before I think I've done download. If I just try to go go online, it is going to tell me download. So even if you do download, either which way, it is going to check to make sure what's in the controller and what's in LogixDesigner. If they're different, you've got to make a decision. Okay, we're in remote mode, so we can't see anything. It's not working. I got a value of 1. I can turn here to change that to 0 and turn it off. Go back in and turn it 1 to on. Well, it's not working. Okay, so the reason why it's not working is because back in my main routine, I'm not calling this program. I have no direction to go in it, so I got to get into it. So let's just be on the safe side. We'll go offline and do our programming offline. So we'll just go here, add a rung, and we'll just use the power on and power on. And where is our program control? Jump to subroutine. Subroutine is going to be flasher. Double click on the question mark, hit escape. Double click, escape again. We get that done. So now we go from online, go back online. And you can see up here, there's an asterisk. That tells you see that there's a mismatch in your program. Something is here, it's not matching what's in the controller. So that's how it knows that we need to do either a download or upload. Okay, so let's go look and see if the flasher is working. So we see some counters. We don't see this bit turn on, but we do see now it goes to 2500 and goes back to 2500. Okay, let's go to a remote program. We'll try this. We'll enter a rung. And double click or click into there. I'm going to start typing. There's flash bit. And that's what it was created here. It's called flash bit. So I got flash bit. And let's just put an output and we'll just call it flasher. Okay, let's go back. So we got right here, accept. So we accept it. We did an edit. We have to accept it before we can go back in. If we accept it, we can go back into run mode. Okay, so now we see the flash bit turns on for 2.5 seconds and off for 2.5 seconds. We can go in and change that time. It's a nice way to have. We do not have the S4 bits in this LogixDesigner, so you have to make up your own. If you want flashing bits on a certain amount of time, this is one way to do it. You can go in there. You can do it through ladder logic, but this was just an easy way to do it in function block programming. So now if we need a flasher bit for something, we can do a flasher bit.